I ain't gonna lie, I actually just got scared of the bike and left it for 2 days. So I didn't touch it, I didn't know what was wrong. Bruh. What have I done, man? What is that? So basically, what was the problem? The bike wouldn't start and I was just like, I had no idea. I'm not mechanical, so I had no idea what was wrong. I went through the Haynes manual, I was checking the things, what was working, what wasn't working, the resistance, the amps, there was a current flowing through. And so I just left it for 2 days. I came back, I put everything back together, and for some reason, the thing starts. It doesn't sound good, albeit, but it starts, it's something. So what's the next step? What am I going to do now? Now that I know it starts, I can do some of the cosmetics, I can give it a clean, maybe touch it up, it depends. Is it worth it to give a little bit of spray here and there, a bit of a black touch up, is it worth it? Even if you can't see it underneath the panels, who knows. But anyway, you're going to have to give it a clean, a detail, try and get it looking as best as possible from the outside. And then hopefully that adds some value to the bike, which would be good. But first what I'm going to do is tape up all the open wires so they don't get any water in them. Let's go. Look at all the pieces, dude.
Hi, I'm Ronan. And I'm selling get all off my face, but I'm selling EFAN Rider, all his parts. So give him a wee like and a sub.
Boy, that escalated quickly.
Alright boys, man's gone and copped the whole bunch. Thanks to my man, Mr. Ronan here.
Social distancing.
Oh, sorry man.
Yeah.
So the wee. Aye, done. Going home. Bye. We got another complaint. The neighbours were complaining about me grinding this piece. Alright, okay, chill, I'll make the video. Right, so we're back at the project, we've got the bike here, we're going to be cleaning it today. Wrapped up all the pieces, all the loose wires I guess, and put one on top of the blockhead so that the sparks are not getting any water down in there. The cleanup job alone probably adds like £100 to the value, who knows, let's just get it. How's everyone all doing? Hope you're good, hope you're well during these times. What we're doing today, you may ask? Well, as you can see, the bike's still in pieces, but that's about to change. Today we can finally put this thing back together. I've cleaned everything that I think I should clean. I've done a little bit of a touch up with some spray, glued some cracks here and there, and now we can put it back together. Hopefully I'm not missing too much of the sort of actually assembly bolts, and this should go back on pretty simple, I'm hoping. Fingers crossed. Just another thing as well, I did take off the mufflers. So, straight pipe. So that was fun. As you can see, I've just taken it all back off. You may be wondering, why have you done that? Why have you taken everything back off? The headlight bracket's bent. I'm talking about these top bits there. This one's kind of straight. Oh, this one. Never a dull moment in the garage of the EFAN Rider. Oh my. More problems to fix. I hope I can fix this. I hope it's easy. Oh, let's just give it a shot. Screw it. Great success! So nice and straight. It's the same. Yes. Very nice. Come on man, I got all this weight and I realised that there's no grab rail. This is the most together it's been in a long time. Found another problem here. the fairings were cracked, and that's what holds on the guard for the plate light. The front mud guard is still off because that needs fixed. As you can see here, it's got a hefty crack in it, and it's because of this plate here. It's been bent, so I need to reshape that. Try and fix this as well. Hello ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, the bike is in one piece, as you can see here. Back together, apart from this bit here it's missing. But we're gonna start the thing. If you have a look down here, it currently has no mufflers on it. Either side, so it should be nice and loud. Moment of truth. Let's see if this thing starts. Am I running it or not?
No, you're not running it.
Okay, that's very loud. Can I give it a brap?
No.
Well, do people live in these houses? I mean, honestly. I know it's fun, but no,
Okay.
it's too noisy.
Well, the fun's over for this part. So there's really not much left to do with the bike, really, to be honest. I'm kind of just waiting. I've got a brake bleeding kit that's going to be here in it's like another week to go. I'm just kind of filling up time. There's no rush at it, really. It's pretty much there. I'm just going to be like, cleaning the headers. Today I'm going to put the mufflers back on. Gonna fix the levers, paint the bar ends. I guess I'll just quickly time lapse it for you guys, you know. The thing's almost done. This is close. This is actually pretty exciting. Get to go a run on it. Try it out. Oh no, disaster. We have a leak.